Well, I am sad to say that that video I did last weekend where I fixed my door handle, well, now it's worse off. It's freaking broken. So now when I go anywhere, I gotta freaking lower the window and open my door from outside, and that got old very quickly. So I went over to Tyler and got a new one. So yeah. And what's interesting is this actually, I'm not entirely certain it'll work, even though I think it should. I mean, they look identical, right? Yeah, pretty much. So the part I think broke was the actual hinge. Let me get this thing apart here. Get off. Either one of these pieces here or the point right there or something, you know. I don't know what broke exactly, but suffice to say, I went to open the door forgetting that I had fixed the issue with the too loose pull rod and pulled it a little too hard and it went snap. I was like, oh crap, not good. So now I gotta pull it apart and replace it. Now, under OEM circumstances, this guy would actually be riveted in right here instead of screwed in. So my thinking is this thing's probably been replaced at least once before. It would just figure like that, wouldn't it? So at least I've only got one thing to do here, is just pull the screw out and I don't have to drill it out like I did the one over at the junkyard. Okay, so I just thought this was going to be easy. Now it wants to be a jerk. Yeah, as you can see, it's broken. What a freaking good that does. And I cannot get this screw out. It's an unrelenting little puffwit. A freaking back nut, of course. Oh, what's that? Well, that was the end of that. It works now. Cool. What a pain. Let's hope I don't ever break it again. I just need to clean it up a little bit and get the door panel back on. I think it might be a little bit off color, but if nothing else, you know, I can always just take this one and it looks like it wouldn't be too difficult to just, you know, pull all this excess plastic off and just move the actual hinge. Or, yeah, you know what, I might actually just do that because this one's kind of nasty. Not to mention, I just noticed something else. This one here is the handle that I had on there. It's got a metal rivet there. This one's only got a plastic rivet. Yeah, not gonna work. So it looks like it could be as simple as just pulling these up and snapping this guy out of here and hoping the spring doesn't go and take off on me. And then just pushing it right back in there. So we're gonna try it and see how it goes. Okay, so that piece wasn't supposed to come out of there. But it did. There. Fix it. And there we have it. Now I've got a handle back in my original deal. Perfect. Alright, that ought to work. Now we can put our screw bolt thing back in. And lose the nut. Not for them. Oh, hang on. Ah, it landed on the window track. Wonderful. Wonderful. I had to bring it back up to myself so I could actually reach it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's try this again. You get back down here my way. Okay.
Okay then. Get off.
Off my steering wheel. Yeah, he's fixed. And he works. Okay. Now go. Now I can put my door panel back on and we can finish this job. But I figure y'all have already seen me do that once already, so you don't need to see me do it again. And now I get all my junk out of the way and break the door handle off again. Be my luck, right? Yay, it works. And it doesn't open itself because I don't have the rod too tight. Door lock works. Sweet. And of course that works. I didn't change that. Cool. And now I'm just going to make a blast happen. I'm gonna start the truck for this. I need a screw. Or our fuse will work. Yeah, it gets a bit loud. It can get louder, but I just don't feel like pushing it right now. Too much. Should have blasted that fuse off. Oh, it's right there. Okay, let's go ahead and put that back on there and blast it off again. Doesn't take much. Alrighty then. Okay, we can shut her down now. Hey everyone, I am totally leaning back in my chair totally the wrong way, so I'm gonna sit up. Just want to make a quick note before I end this video. So I'm pretty much caught up on most of my video footage that I'm going to make vlog content out of, so chances are I'll have a couple sporadic uploads here and there, because there's still a lot of footage I need to work through and figure out if I want to upload it or not. And then there's stuff I need to edit, and there's more stuff I need to render that's been edited already, and you know, it's a work in progress. But this video is basically a vlog. My last video was basically a vlog, the new appliances one. And what I'm probably going to end up doing here in the next couple weeks, once I get everything figured out, I'm probably going to be renaming several videos to make them, or add them to my vlog playlist, basically. So, vlogs are coming back. They are making a comeback after, God, I don't even know how long it's been since I last did an actual October 31st, 2015. No, I moved out of the apartment and I moved out of vlogs. Beautiful, right? So, anyway, I don't know right now what this vlog number is. Let's just say it's going to be added to the vlog playlist eventually once I get everything figured out. And it'll have a number and all that fun stuff added to it when I get to that point. And future videos from this point that are vlog content will be back on the vlog templates, you know, with all that flashy video text and all that fun stuff like I used to do with my vlogs, as I'm sure a lot of you probably remember. So anyway, that be it for now, and I will see you guys in the next one, whenever that happens to be. Which, I've got no set schedule for making videos right now, as I'm sure y'all can imagine, with me being a freaking truck driver and not doing daily vlog videos on the road or anything. I mean, I do a couple of them. So I've uploaded a couple of them now, so, you know, I might do one here and there, but it's not going to be a daily drive sort of thing. You'll get a monthly culmination of a couple days worth of footage, you know? And we'll go from there. It's like, I have a couple things I'm going to do with the house here. I need to clean this dining room up so freaking bad, it's not even funny. And from there, we will go. And I will update accordingly as things get happening. So, vlogs are back. That's the main takeaway from this whole mess of a clip I just made. Yep, and now I'm going to edit, render, and upload this video.